So hey everyone, how are you? And today we will be talking about a very cool transition and see how to make this transition in DaVinci Resolve. This would be a text transition, and as you can see, this is the transition we are talking about. So let's get started and see what we can do about our transition and how we create this transition. For that, let's go straight to our DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve, here I have created a project named as text transition or whatever it is. Uh, I was previously making uh practicing it, and then I have generated this automatic captions. And now what you have to do first is you have to analyze your clip, your audio, and you would have to analyze what things am I saying at what time. You may have seen this transition. Okay, so up to this mark I have to make a marker, and I know that I have said that you may have seen this transition. So we'd have to import a text plus node first. Let's import that. And now just drag the end marker down to your marker and then write the text here you want to do. I want it to come like word by word. So I would just separate this clip in various clips and then animate them. Okay. So what would I do? Go to first clip, press B, make a cut path, then go to second clip, then click a cut here, then go to third cut and make a cut, and do this again and again until I am satisfied. So okay. So first clip says you. Let's keep all of that like in caps lock, and let's make the font as impact. I like impact more, and then just change the shading and drag down the opacity around 0.5 for all of them. I would do that for all of them. Okay. So what would I have to do now? I have to go to title, text, and write here you. Next we have me. Change the font to impact. Go to shading, drag the opacity to 0.5, around 0.5 I would say. Yep. Then again change the font to impact, shading, and then opacity to 0.5. Again, 0.5. Again, okay. And then again. Okay. You may, here I so have. Okay, so now I would go to text and type here have. How would I write? Have seen this. I haven't changed the text, so I would write now. Then text and transition. Okay. So my rough work is complete. I have added all the text and all the markers to my video. So what would I do now? I would just zoom into our clip, and then we would go to video transitions and then drag over a push video transition and drag it to start of our clip. Okay. Why is it not been dragged here? Other. Let it not be. Okay. So I would push, add push here, add push here, then add push here. Let's just copy all of this. Okay. Added a push here. I would change the duration to around 0.5 seconds. 0.4 would be fine. What? 0.4. What? Why that pain only 0.1 seconds? Okay. Video would not be that long. We would just do what would we do? We would go to start of this clip or start of this transition and then adjust our transition curve to around 0.9930. Okay. And adjust the preset to push up. Okay. And then what we would do is we would just select this clip, select this marker on the start of the timeline, and then we would drag it to where the transition is being completed or the transition is being ending. Now would we press alt and then copy it to other, then again alt and copy, alt and copy, alt and copy, then alt, and it's not going here cause the clip may be too small. Okay. So now just drag these markers around. Okay. Done and done. Push up, push up, push up, push up. So now what do you see? You may have seen this transition. Okay. So this was your transition. You can adjust your speed according to your preferences, whether it's 0.1 second, 0.2 second. It looks fine for about 0.4 second to 0.5 second. You would adjust it here. So this was all for the video. So I hope you liked this video and hope you found the solution for whatever you were looking for. This transition is called, I think, this is a mix of push transition and fading transition. That was all. Subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel, and thank you for watching this video till the end.